Happy Friday. I'm so glad it's Friday. I'm so glad to be making another video. This should go up today. I'm really thinking that my days will be Tuesday and Friday just because I do work a full-time job and that kind of works best with how my work week tends to go. But today I'm really excited because I want to talk to you all about what luggage I use when I travel. Some of you may be wondering, how did you fit all of that stuff, winter clothes, into a carry-on suitcase to go to Iceland, for example? So I'm going to tell you about my favorite luggage and do like a year review since it's been a year since it was purchased. I am a little out of breath because I have a cold, so please excuse me for that, but let's go ahead and get started. On Christmas 2020, my boyfriend gifted me with a away suitcase. It was something I asked for after watching loads of videos on YouTube. I decided I wanted an away suitcase for a lot of reasons, but I will get to that. I do have a couple of notes here, so if you see me looking down, that is what I'm doing. But first, I want to show you the actual bag. The bag comes in a dust bag, which I do keep it in when I'm not traveling. Ah, look at her, she's so cute. Okay, I can't. So I have the limited edition bigger carry-on collaboration with Rashida Jones in copper aluminum. And I'm sorry, metallic copper. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. And it's just the cutest thing ever. So on the outside, it is pretty simple. It does not have a laptop sleeve. Those came later, but it does have the 360 wheels. It has a nice luggage tag. It has a lock, so you can set your combination and lock your suitcase, which is huge for traveling in hostels and staying in hostels and things like that. And then why I wanted it so badly, there is a battery charger in here, you guys. I'm sorry, a battery port. If I can get it open. It's hard to do this without nails. There we go. So here you go. You have a full-size battery, you guys, to charge all of your essentials while you're traveling. You can see it has 2 USB ports and another charging port, and it is 10,000 mAh power bank. So it's awesome. I love it. The only thing is, when you fly, you do have to remove this before you get on the plane, but it's so convenient because you know that you can always charge your electronics no matter where you are, what kind of country you're in. Even if you don't have a converter, you can use that, and it's going to last you a really long time on your trip. So along with the ejectable USB charger, the dimensions are 22.7 inches by 14.7 inches by 9.6 inches. So it is pretty big. The suitcase weighs 8.4 pounds. It is kind of heavy. And I think that's just because of the hard shell case, but that comes in handy for me a lot. I really love this bag. I do not use a checked luggage anymore ever, no matter where I'm going or how long I'm going to be there. With this bag, I've been to Arizona, I've been to Iceland, I've been to Georgia, back and forth to visit family, Colorado, Poconos, Atlantic City, New Jersey, everywhere. And this is the only bag I take ever. And I'm gonna open up so you can see it, but I'll also get some footage of me showing you the suitcase in a better position. But I love this so much. What the suitcase looks like when you open it up, and you can see it says Away by Rashida Jones. This compartment I use to pack my intimates. I just put those there. But this is a nice compression system I'll show you. So you pack your clothes or whatever you want to pack in this section. Put this on top. And then buckle this and pull it as tight as you can, and it squeezes everything down. So I love that. I also love that this is zippered, this mesh pocket over here, because it allows me to throw things in here without the fear of them moving around. And what I really think like is the best part about the inside is that you cannot lose this laundry bag that you get, because it buttons into the suitcase, which I think is so cool. And it's a pretty big laundry bag, so your dirty clothes never have to touch your clean clothes. I put shoes, toiletries, and anything that's a little bit clunkier than clothing into this pocket, and then use the compression sleeve to press it down. This suitcase also has matching packing cubes, which you could purchase as well. And I keep my USB charger in here all the time so I can charge my portable USB port. So yeah, that's basically the inside of the suitcase. And I get so much stuff in here, you guys, but I am going to purchase the packing cubes to get even more. So if I have something really big, like a jacket or a makeup bag that's going to take up a lot of space, put it on this side, and your regular clothes and everything, I suggest putting it on this side. But I've gone on trips for weeks and I've only had this one piece of luggage. As you can tell, this has been through some wear and tear. However, if you get an eraser, a magic eraser pad, you can clean all of that up. And I've done that before. Some of the scratches will remain, but the discoloration will not. So I haven't done that since my last trip, but I will be doing that soon. Here's a closer look at the lock. I haven't set this, but I need to. So yeah, that's the outside of the suitcase. It's just beautiful. Like, it's just absolutely perfect. It looks like a fresh penny. So one of the concerns I had about getting the bigger carry-on is, would I be asked to check in my bag all of the time, because it is a bigger carry-on. Obviously it still fits in stowaway luggage area, but I just thought they might see the size of it and say, oh ma'am, you need to check that. That has never happened. Never happened. The only time I've checked my bag is when I've been traveling with shampoos or conditioners or whatever that were not the legal size, not the 3.2 ounces. So I've checked it voluntarily, but I've never had to get it checked at the gate, which is amazing and something that I was really concerned about. I will say that, like, I don't have any special packing method. I think the longest I've been going with a carry-on is probably 11 days. When I went to, it wasn't this suitcase, but when I went to Japan, I was there for about 2 weeks and I lived out of a carry-on. Like, I will not check a bag. I am not checking a bag. I don't care where we're going. I will not check a bag. I will have my away suitcase, carry-on, and like a nice, like, big purse. That's it. But anyway, I don't pack any certain kind of way. I don't roll everything and make sure it fits tightly or anything like that. I don't have to worry about it. Having that compression system and having that mesh area really helps to push everything down. It can get kind of heavy, but what I do usually is pack and then go through the suitcase 2 or 3 more times to eliminate anything that is unnecessary. So if I do get a checked luggage one day, I would purchase from Away, just because I think their hard shell is very, very durable. I never have to worry about it falling apart. I think the lock system is very genius. It is safe for TSA. If they need to get into it, they can, but for everyone else, it just gives you peace of mind that no one's rummaging through your stuff. So I think that's a really, really nice feature. The bag also has side handles, so you can pick it up from the side, the top. The handle is very nice and never had any problems with it getting stuck or anything. You can turn the bag around, you can wheel it, you can pull it, you can sit on it. When I was waiting on a what was I waiting for? I was waiting for transportation to the hotel or something from somewhere, and I did sit on my suitcase. I don't recommend it just because anything could happen, but it made a pretty comfortable seat when I didn't have any other options. I always make sure to unpack it when I get back and put it right back in the dust bag to keep it free from any like additional scratches or anything like this. I just love this whole color scheme with the purple and the red. It's so nice. And then like the copper, it just looks really, really cute. So the price for this is about $245 to $265 for a bigger carry-on from Away. And I know that sounds pricey, but I'm telling you, it is so worth it because the quality, there has been no fraying on the inside, there has been no zipper problems, there have been no issues with any of it. And also there's like a 100-day guarantee, so you can send it back if something were to go wrong. I haven't had problems with the exterior zippers, the handles, the bag itself, and nothing has gone wrong. No mechanism has malfunctioned. This bag makes my life and my traveling life so much easier. So I highly recommend it. 5 stars in my book. There are accessories that go with it. They don't sell this color anymore. It was a limited edition. However, I think if I get a check bag, which I don't know, for some reason, if I decide to take more clothes with me or something, I would just get a black one, so I'd have the black and the copper. But they do have other colors that stand out, because when I do check this bag, it is very easy to get it from Baggage Claim. Nobody else has a bag that looks quite like this. So they have limited edition collaborations. They have just some nice funky colors, and then they have like your plain basic subtle colors as well. But yeah, for the price, it definitely can seem a little steep to pay almost $300 for a bag, but remember, you're getting the USB charger. It does lock, and it's just really, really nice. I love it. The quality is chef's kiss, and it's a great Christmas gift. Now that we're coming up on Black Friday, keep your eyes peeled to see if they have a sale. This was a Christmas gift for me, so I really, really loved it. One of the best gifts I've ever gotten as someone who loves to travel. So there you have it, folks. I recommend getting the bigger carry-on, so you never have to worry about packing a checked luggage and paying for that. You just take your carry-on and you'll be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one, Tuesdays and Fridays.